folks, welcome to the show. I'm on holidays and we're heading to northeast remote Tasmania, up to Anson's Bay. So join us for the next few episodes and see what adventures have in store for us. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Big Bert. Join me and occasionally my daughter Squirt while we explore the beautiful state of Tasmania. From beautiful oceans and rivers to amazing mountains and everything in between. Come with us for an adventure in this amazing place, the island state. Down under, down under. No adventures till all the chores are done. Because now somebody wants to have a drive of the mower. Now the work's done. Out comes the blister. Here she goes. Oh yeah, one thing in the car park, she runs over it. Drives like a mother. Hey guys, adventure one. Squirt and I are going to paddle from the swimming hole back round to the shack at Anson's Bay. I'll show you the picture here from the starting point to the finish point. What you can see behind me, but that's the departure area, and we're just heading down the river. Squirt's on the paddleboard and I'm on the Hobie. Let's get this adventure underway. Let's go. Headwind. Could end up tough going. Anyway, we'll keep pushing on. Let's go. It's fairly barren, hard looking country, Squirt. Fairly steep. I don't know whether the GoPro will show that. That's nearly vertical there. And bush to the waterline. It's absolutely beautiful up here. Absolutely beautiful. You going forward? I'll just check the line. Oh, there's a nice little bit of bank there under there. It'd be nice to sit and have a spell. Not enough room for a couple of canoes though. Look at that. Looks like a bloody crocodile over there with his head popped out. Bit of a limb tree. The stand up dude. This is the prettiest spot as any, too. Look out, squirts up. She's up, let's have a look at her. So we've been paddling for about an hour. We're going to call in here and have a bit of a spell. We found this quiet little spot. So nice grassy little bank. Why is it the wrong spot?
It's terrifying. It just drops off.
Well, that's a good thing. How's this for a breather? And you can't have an adventure without a packet of barbecue shapes apparently. So I'll show you what they are for those of you that aren't from Australia. You probably have them, but I don't know what it is you'd call them. So they're a biscuit with salty flavour treat on one side. And they're delicious.
And different flavours come in different shapes.
There you
But
go.
the barbecue ones are the best ones. Like pizza, chicken. There's Vegemite,
Oof.
cheese.
Could you say that again?
Shut up.
I think there's nachos. And they're all in different shapes.
Well, there you go.
Baked, not fried. As it says on the box.
Well, there you go. And you can have an adventure without turning into an animal. Cheers.
What?
Where have you been? Come on in. Squirts in the barbecue shapes again. Just going to go and have a look up here. Pretty cool spot. I found a camping ground. Bear with me, I'll try and get up in there. Okay, got up off the bank. It's a bit of a climb up there. GoPro won't show it, but there's quite an area here. There's a bit of wood fire. And there's a road in. I'm assuming it's from Policeman's Point Road, but I don't know whether the GoPro is going to show this very well. It's a bit of a jag. You'd want to know your shit in your four-wheel drive. And you want to hope there wasn't a lot of rain when you got in here, because you might not be hitting out. So as you can see, she's fairly hardcore in and out. We'll definitely be tackling it from the river anyway. Alright, let's go back, see if I can't get a biscuit before Squirt's eating them all. Someone's made a bit of an effort to put the chair in, so good on you guys. We had a sit and a spell, had a bit of a fish, unsuccessful of course, but that is what it is. Alright, we've got 2 more legs to go from what we plan to do, so we will see you at the next stop. Let's go. Okay, we're on the last leg now. We've just come out into the bay. The wind's got up, so she's a bit rough. So I've got Squirt basically strapped on the side of the canoe. We're under bird power, and we're heading back to the shack. She's going to be a hard slog this last bit, so I won't bore you with the details, but just using the fridge full of beer as motivation to keep my legs pumping and get us back to the shack. So unless something exciting happens, like, you know, Squirt falls over, gets attacked by a shark or something, I think that'll do for today's adventure. I guess if you see this, we got back okay. Anyway, so thanks for joining us tonight. We'll bang our way back in, and we will catch you next time. Let's go. We made it. We're back at the shack, just up on the hill. Here's our gear. All back. Oh goodness me, but we're here. It's time for beer. Let's go. Cheers everybody.